Hey loves, as you guys can tell by the title, we're doing an everyday makeup tutorial, and before I begin I just want to go in there and apply some vitamin C serum onto my skin because you don't want to apply makeup on dry skin because you want to have like a smooth finish. And of course you gotta make sure you moisturize your lips because you don't want them mischapped, okay? Then I'm going in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, and all these products that I'm going to be using in this tutorial you can find in your local Walmart or your local drugstore. And I'm going in with the Maybelline FitMe Matte and Poreless in the color 368, that's called Deep Golden. And I'm using the RealTechniques stippling brush. So my technique with makeup is that a little goes a long way and then I build up from there. Because basically you want a natural look. You want to look natural, okay? So I'm applying definitely underneath my eyes because, girl, nursing school you do not sleep. In nursing school you do not sleep. So we want to hide those dark spots. And the way that I use the stippling brush, you want to pat in your makeup, meaning missing no spots because you don't want to look like the Dalmatian, okay? So patting in your makeup, literally just patting it in till your arms literally fall off. And you don't want to swipe because when you're swiping your makeup, it's basically you're removing off the product. And then I'm going to go in and I'm using the RealTechniques beauty sponge and I'm just going to pat it in there because we want our makeup to look really natural. And as you guys can tell, I did my eyebrows off camera, and if you guys want a tutorial on that, just comment down below and let me know, and I don't mind doing a tutorial on that. So get all in there with that sponge, all in there. Pat it in, sis. Pat it in until your arms fall off. Get in there. Get in there. Alright, so I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Hazelnut. So you want to get your T-zones. Get underneath them eyes. I tell y'all, I don't be sleeping. Nursing school don't let you sleep. But don't pass your eyebrow, the end point of your eyebrow, because you're gonna look like a clown, okay? Do not pass that. So the area of your T-zone are your underneath your eyes, your chin, the bridge of your nose, your forehead, and the top of your mouth. But that's optional. As you'll notice that I won't place any concealer on the top of my mouth because I don't really need that area brightened because it's already evened out enough for me. And like I truly believe a little goes a long way. As you notice, like I placed a lot of concealer underneath my eyes due to the fact that it's really dark in that area from lack of sleep and studying so much, y'all. And we're just gonna let that sit for a few before we blend. And going in with the RealTechniques contour brush, remember what I said. We are going to pat in concealer, and we just want a beautiful, flawless look. Look at that, ladies. Look at that. It's just melting right in. Just so beautiful, vanishing, disappearing all the way. Because we don't want people to be talking about you guys. Be like, look at her. She can't do her makeup right because all them harsh lines and it's all uneven and not blended out right. The key to makeup, ladies, is to blend it all in. Blend it in like a blender. Blend it all in. And you can also go in and use your fingers, but I advise that before you use your fingers as a tool to help melt in the concealer, you want to make sure that you wash your hands, okay? Hygiene is essential. Also, I'm going in a C motion to apply the contour on the top of my eyelid just to have an even tone. And just look at that. Beautiful. Checking myself out. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. And I am using the RealTechniques setting brush to contour my nose just to get rid of that harsh line. And this is a smaller brush. You want to use a smaller brush just so it doesn't like go all over the place. And I just want to blend it in, blend my forehead, and just get rid of that harsh line so we can have that flawless look. And it's just melting right in. I know you see it. Do y'all see it? Do you see it? Because I sure enough see it. It's beautiful. And look at that. Okay, I see you, girl. Okay. It's just beautiful. Blend. Remember, blend, blend, blend. Yes, sir. Using the BlackRadiance contour palette, medium to dark, I'm going to contour my face. So you want to contour your face to build a structure. So you want to get underneath your cheek, underneath your chin area, and your forehead. And you just want to apply as much as you want, which is basically your preference. But get underneath that cheek, girl, so you can get some structure. Because I know y'all see that. Get underneath the chin, my sister. So when people can see, they be like, wow. She got very, very nice chin. A very nice one. Very nice. She has a very nice tone to her skin and a very nice face structure. Going and using the RealTechniques shading brush, I am going to structure out the bridge of my nose. So I start from the peak of my eyelid all the way down to the bridge of my nose using the contour color in the BlackRadiance contour palette. And you can specifically leave it like that with a lighter shade, or you can go back in and just apply more product to have a darker effect. It all depends on how you want to do it. And the reason why I use a smaller brush is because it gives me more advantage in order to structure out my nose. And you just want to just fade that all out by patting in, going in circular motion, just so that you don't see those harsh lines and people will think like, yo, wow, like the structure of her nose is beautiful. And you just want to keep on blending. Like I said before, the key is to blend, baby, blend. And I'm just blending it all in just to get rid of that line. Going back in with the contour color in the palette medium to dark, I'm going to be applying some of that powder onto my eyelid. Because remember, when you add some type of foundation or concealer, you want to make sure that you press in with a powder. So that's what I'm doing. And because this is a natural look, I'm just adding that color just to match with my skin complexion. And just look at it. It's just a beautiful gradient effect. Using the Maybelline FitMe Loose Finishing Powder in the color Dark, I'm going to go in and set in my T-zone area, just so that everything can stay intact. And definitely for my oily girls, which includes me, you just want everything to just stay in place, because we don't want our beautiful face to melt like a chocolatey ball. But I'm gonna go in there and set in my face. And the key to this is you want to press in lightly and then swipe away the powder lightly, just so that it can distribute everywhere and it just doesn't stay in one spot. And you just do that lightly. And girl, I know y'all see it. Just so beautiful, like lusciously looking like a beautiful chocolate bar. Then from there, I am going to be using my stifling brush and go back in there and just set my full face so everything, literally everything, stays in place. And using my RealTechniques sponge, we just want to press that all in, just so it can just melt into our skin. We don't want to look all cakey. Like, y'all comment down below. Ha, my face is looking, my sisters. I know you see me. I know you see me. Check me out. What we missing? What we missing? All right, so before we begin the lips, I'm using the Colormates eyebrow pencil, which you can find at the dollar store for $1, literally for $1. And I'm just lining my lips. This is optional though. You can just use regular clear lip gloss or whatever lipstick or lip gloss you prefer. And then I'm gonna go in using my CremeBrulee lip gloss, and I'm just gonna add that in the center of my lips. And you can find this at your local drugstore, any drugstore. I don't know if they still have that. It's no specific brand, but I'm pretty sure you can find that at your drugstore. And I'm just adding that in the center of my lips. And baby, what's going on, girl? Oh, okay. I don't know if I'm really feeling that. I think I might go back in and add some lip gloss. But yeah, it's cute. It's neutral. It's not over the top, but you know, you get the gist. You get the gist of it. I like it. Going back in the contour palette by BlackRadiance medium to dark, I'm going to highlight the top of my cheek, and this is also optional. You can use a blush if you want, or you can use a highlight and a blush, or you can just leave it like that. But me, I'm a little extra, and yes ma'am, I'm gonna add some highlight on top of my cheek. And you can use a fanning brush if you want, or you can use, like I said, your fingers to apply the highlight on the top of your cheeks. And you can apply it on your nose too if you want, but me, I'm extra, so I'm gonna add a little on my nose. And underneath your brows too, you can apply some highlight. So I'm gonna go in there, and you know, of course, I'm going to highlight underneath my brows just to give my brow that nice gradient effect and to uplift my brows. Going and using my Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara, I'm just going to get my bald lashes and make them look like not bald anymore. Extend them so they could look like, you know, I have lashes on in a sense. And then I'm gonna go in my Wet n Wild Mega Wear, and this is a smaller bristle, and this just helps to lengthen my lashes even more. And from here, you can just leave this like that, or you can go back in and apply some lashes, which you'll see I'll be applying some lashes. And I did go back in and I applied lip gloss on the top of my lips. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. It's an everyday basic makeup look. Why pay $75 for a soft glam look when you can literally do it yourself? You build on the talent and you save money. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl Renee Bell is out.